What is up guys, Done this side. So in this video, I'm going to compare two softwares which are FileCloud and Nextcloud, and in this video, I'll show you which one is best in 2025. So both FileCloud and Nextcloud are self-hosted file sharing platforms, often seen as alternative to Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, but with more control and privacy. However, their approach, features, and target users are slightly different. So let's break it down feature by feature. So first, let's start with the features comparison. FileCloud is most enterprise focused. It includes advanced DLP, which is data loss prevention. It is built-in antivirus scanning, smart classification and compliance alerts like HIPAA, GDPR, ITAR, file locking and versioning systems, better remote device management, whereas Nextcloud, on the other hand, shines in a rich ecosystems of apps like Talk, Mail, Calendar, Tech, and Notes, and it is great for collaboration and productivity and is fully open source and modular. It is real-time collaboration and editing. Bottom line, for productivity and open source lovers, Nextcloud is for you. And for strict enterprise-grade security and compliance, FileCloud is for you. And now, let's talk about the another step, which is security. Both platforms are secure, but FileCloud offers more smart content, classification, client-side encryption, and advanced DRM, whereas Nextcloud offers end-to-end encryption, 2FA, and auditing. But some enterprise features may require extra setup or plugins. If security is your number one priority, FileCloud offers a bit more out of the box. And now, let's move to the another step, which is pricing and deployment. Nextcloud is open source and free to self-host, but if you want support, Nextcloud Enterprises starts at a few thousand euros per year, whereas FileCloud is not free. It's a commercial product. FileCloud server starts around $5 to $10 per user per month, but includes support, backup, DLP, and mobile device management. But when we compare it about deployment-wise, both offer on-premise, private cloud, and hybrid options. FileCloud Online gives you a fully managed cloud experience. Nextcloud gives you more flexibility, especially if you want to integrate with your own infrastructure. Now, let's move to the another step, which is integrations and ecosystem. Nextcloud has a larger app ecosystem and integrates with hundreds of services like LDAP, SAML, Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and more. Whereas FileCloud focuses more on enterprise integrations like Active Directory, SIEM tools, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce. So if you are building a custom solution, Nextcloud is more modular. If you're running on enterprise workflow, FileCloud might reduce your integration headache. And now let's move to the final verdict. So, which one is better in 2025? It depends on your needs. Choose Nextcloud if you want an open source, highly customizable platform, team collaboration tools and app flexibility, a community driven ecosystem. And choose FileCloud if you want enterprise grade security and compliance, built in DLP, encryption, and smart policies, and managed services with full support. So, this was a comparison between FileCloud and Nextcloud. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.